Alright, so the mechanics of the dashboard are all set now, so it's time to apply some finishing touches and send this back to 𝗙𝗎𝗋𝗔. And you'll see that there are two files available to download in this lecture, one of which is the Maven Careers logo. So let's get that in here. Let me show the ribbon. I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures, and insert a picture from this device. You'll see that we have the Maven Careers logo here. Let's bring that in. And let's drag it over here to our top right corner. Alright, so that looks pretty good there, but, and I know I'm nitpicky, but I can't help but feel that it feels a little bit out of sync with the rest of the dashboard, especially because of the different color palettes. So what I'd like to do is to be able to change this blue to this teal and the orange to this kind of reddish pink here. So let's open up the Maven Careers color file now, which you should also find in the downloads for this lecture. And you'll see that we have the hex codes for the teal and the red. So I'm going to copy the teal first. And we could swap the colors out manually one by one. So here, then here, 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 here. But you can already start to get a sense of how long that would take us and how impractical it seems. But the good news is that there is a better way. So I'm going to go to the Page Layout tab, and you'll see that we have the themes for this workbook, where we can customize a theme that contains colors, fonts, and effects, or just edit the colors, fonts, and effects for this particular theme. So I'm going to go to the colors, and right now we're using the standard Office theme. I'm going to go to Customize the colors. And what you'll notice is that the blue and the orange that we're using for our dashboard are actually accents 1 and 2 here. So what we can do is just swap these out for our new colors. So I'm going to go into this blue here, go to More Colors, and in the Custom tab, I can paste my new hex code. Press OK. You'll see that we get this teal now. And if I go back, copy the red, and swap it for the orange, again more colors, paste that in here, press OK. You'll see that now we have the teal and the red instead of the blue and the orange. We can save this color palette as Maven Careers, press save, and it looks like everything changed except for our map here. So let's see what happened. Let's see if the employees are working. Looks like they are. Let's go back to average wages. Okay, so it looks like it just needed a bit to kind of refresh. But now, as you can see, we have a consistent color palette in our dashboard and our Maven Careers logo. So we're good to go.